Hello friends, here Dr. BC, and today in this video episode I am going to show you the unboxing and quick review of Cube i7 stylus. This is my Cube i7 stylus, recently bought from AliExpress at a cost of $407. I bought this unit on 11th of November and got on 16th of December. That's mean it takes greater than 1 month to arrive in India through Singapore Speed Post. Now you can see that this unit comes in a very nicely box. If you see the box carefully, the seal is broken. I think seller has broken that seal to put some gifts inside this box. If you see the box carefully, you can see that it is a Intel based tablet and it is from Cube. It is a Chinese based manufacturer. It is a very well known manufacturer from China, and it has couple of specification. It contains Intel, it play videos, it has Wi-Fi, setting, a user account, headphones, you can check the money, and GPS, camera, email, folder. All you can go through this tablet. Nothing on this side. This side again the seal is open, and at that side you can see that this is an English unit, and the serial number and the date of manufacturing of this unit. It is manufactured on 20th of November 2015. That's mean after the purchase, that is on 11th of November. This unit is actually assembled on 20th of November. That's mean 9 days that is wasted during the manufacturing of this unit. And if you see on the back, you can see it is a Cube i7 stylus. It is a 64 GB of internal storage. Here is the serial number and the manufacturer address and term of the uses and the specification, and here is couple of logos. Now I will unbox that. The first thing you can get inside the box, that is a gift from the seller, that is a screen guard, that is a tempered glass screen guard. It is very big, around 10.6 inch in diagonal. Now let's keep this aside. The next thing you get inside the box is a tablet itself, and here is a welcome message from AliExpress. That is, hello friend, thank you for your order. Please provide 5-star feedback, share the product with your friend on Facebook, and add to the store list. Here is the email IDs of the seller. Now let's keep this aside and also this tablet aside for a while. Now the next thing is inside this second partition. You can see the first, that is a docking station, that is stylus magnetic keyboard, and if you see the layout, that is having a 2 USB port on back, Pogo 5 pins, and that is the how to you can use that keyboard, how you can use the mouse, and this is in English. You can see that keyboard layout, setting up your keyboard, and you can see how to use the touchpad and gestures, and that is the after sale service. That is a genuine keyboard for this i7 stylus. It is again packed in a nicely box. That is not a box, that is in plastic. The next thing you can find inside the box is a pen. Now let's take out that pen. If you see the pen, I think that is a non-genuine pen for this model. The genuine has a opening at that. It is closed. And where is the tip? Oh my god, there is extra tip inside the box. No, if you see that, there is no extra tip inside the box. Oh my god, I think the seller has fooled me and forget to send me a genuine pen. And where is the tip? It seems it is broken. Oh my god, the seller has dispatched me a non-genuine pen. It is made in China. You can see that the China logo. Damn shit. The thing, this pen seems non-genuine because there is no clip. I can see that. Yeah, it is a non-genuine pen. Where is the tip? Shit, it is non-genuine, totally fake. Now let's see the other accessories. You can see that inside this box you will find couple of stuffs. Yeah, put this here and okay, nothing more. Let's put this aside. Here you can see a user manual for this i7 stylus. All is in Chinese. Yeah, if you see something, yeah, there is a English manual at the last. You can see that precautions before uses. Yeah, from here you can see the English manual. It has a keyboard layout and the definition content, introduction to the desktop, Windows 10 start menu, slide applications, apps, charm menu, multitask operation, basic operations, sleep start and power off, security management, and the specification. Now let's see the specification. Yeah, you can see that it has a Core M series processor that maximum turbo frequency is around 2 GHz. The CPU, that is the wrong. It is a RAM. The RAM is 4 GB DDR3L, that is low power, and the display is 10.6 inch at full HD resolution. It has 10 point of touch and capacitive screen. That it has a Intel HD graphics 5300. It supports this type of format. It contains a 64 GB internal storage, and in some model you can also find a 128 GB of Cube i7 stylus. It has 2 megapixel of front and 5 megapixel of rear camera. It has gravitational sensor, Wi-Fi. Okay, it has only ABGN. No, it is BGN 802.11. That means it doesn't have the dual Wi-Fi capability. That is a bad thing. I think the Wi-Fi sensor or the module cannot be removed from the tablet. It is, I think, soldered on the board. And it has also Bluetooth 4.0. It supports electromagnetic screen. That's mean you can use a Wacom stylus. It supports USB to Ethernet and also supports SDSC and SDXC micro SD card. It supports USB 3.0 through micro USB terminal with the OTG dongle. It has a HDMI, that is micro HDMI 1.4A with audio output. It can support USB, Bluetooth external keyboard and mouse, and also the wireless connection. The battery is of 4500 mAh at 7.4 volt, and it contains OS, that is Windows 10. That is I think the older version, and it supports web browsing also. That is a quick specification of this tablet. Nothing more. Now let's keep this aside. Next, you can see a VIP card. From this, scratching this card, you can check whether your product is genuine or not. That is very good thing. That the thing I like with the Cube, it give you a card, scratch that card, you can see that whether your product is genuine or not. That is very good thing. And that is a warranty card. I think all thing is in Chinese. Let's keep this aside. And again a small sticker, that is a quality pass. It is passed on 25th. It is 25th October or November, who care. You can see that it is passed through all the checkup. Here you can find out that that is a EU style plug, and that is a 3-pin holder. Yeah, that is for another countries, and that is for Indian countries, that is for I think US based countries. And finally you will see a charger, and that is a input at 100 to 240 volt AC at 50 or 60 hertz at 0.6 ampere maximum, and it is output at, that is output through that end, it is output at 12 volt at 2000 milliampere hour. I think on the specification it is written that it is of 2.5 ampere. Okay, it is 24 watt. Yeah, the charger is of 24 watt. The internal is positive and outer is negative. Now let's keep this aside. And finally you can also find a OTG cable, that is a USB micro USB 3.0 to a full USB 3.0 cable. That is used to connect a regular hard disk, pen drives, flash drive with your Cube i7 stylus. Now nothing more on the box. Now let's keep this box aside. Now let's see the main unit. This is the main unit. You can see that this is a Cube i7 stylus keyboard, and that is a Cube i7 stylus tablet. Now let's open that, pull out that, and that is a Cube i7 tablet. You can see a tag on the tablet. It has a screen guard pre-installed. Now let's take out that. Now this is Cube i7 stylus, very nicely packed, very slim and very strong tablet from Cube. If you see the hardware layout on the front, you will find a 10.6 inch full HD display from Samsung. It has a digitizer, that is same digitizer, same screen as of Microsoft Surface 2. Yeah, it contains the same screen and the same digitizer of Surface 2. And here you can find a 2 megapixel front camera, that is a Windows button. On the bottom you will find a 5-pin Pogo connector, and that is to dock this unit with your keyboard. And on this side you will find a stereo speakers, and on the top you will find a volume rocker, power button and the notification LED. On this side you will find a 3.5mm headphone socket, a micro HDMI port, that is a SD card slot, and that is a USB 3.0 output terminal, and that is a charging, that is 12 volt input charging terminal. On the back you will find a 5 megapixel rear camera, and that is a nice branding Cube i7 stylus logo and the serial number and the rating of this Cube i7 stylus. If you see the back, you can find this blue matte finish thing is purely made up of metal, and it feels very strong in hand. Thanks to its matte finish, it feels very premium, and you can find a very tough device in your hand. The weight is around 680 gram. This single unit you will find with the keyboard, the weight is slightly over 1 kg, I think. That is the physical layout of this tablet. Now let's keep this aside and let's see the docking station, that is a keyboard docking. Now let's you can see that it is nicely packed in this plastic. Now let's take out that. Again the same color, the blue finish, matte finish base with 4 rubber pad to hold this thing comfortably on the tablet. You can see that it is not taking my fingerprint because it is a matte finish, and here you can see the Cube branding and the keyboard serial number, and it is, you can see that it is made in China. Now let's see the front. Yeah, it is an English based keyboard. You can find a very small tracking pad. Let's see, it has a clickable left and right buttons, and that is a 5-pin Pogo connector, and that is a point where you have to dock your tablet. And yeah, you can see that here and here, and that is nice layout. You can see that the keyboard has a very good haptic feedback. And now let's see its layout. There is nothing on the side. Here you can see that there is a container where you can put your stylus here. You can see that is a dummy. You can put your stylus here. The genuine stylus will go here. Now let's see whether I got a genuine or not. If it is genuine, then it will definitely go here. Yeah, it is going. So what is the problem? Where is the tip? Yeah, okay, let's come to this later on. That is 2 USB 2.0 ports. You can use this thing to connect your flash drive, keyboard, mouse and external devices directly to the tablet. Now let's dock the unit. It will go like that. Yeah. You can see that it is not so good as you can find on the Dell tablets or even the Acer. It is not locked SIM goods, but it still work for carrying. You have to put this like that. You can see all this thing that is already given in the manual, and if you want to use, then put it like that. For storing or carrying, you have to go like that. That is not so good as you can find on Acer or Dell laptops. Yeah, now it is good. Now let's turn on the tablet. Yeah, you can see that it comes with some battery. Now you can see that the thing is booted up, and this is a home screen. Now let's see the specification. You can see that the mouse is working, and right click is also working, and that is a PC. Now let's see the specification. You can see that the Windows is Windows 10 Home. Okay, and you can see that that is a 64-bit operating system. It is very difficult to use the mouse in front of this camera. It has a 4 GB of internal storage, and the Windows is activated. That is a very good thing. You got a activated Windows 10 on this Cube i7 stylus. That is, I think, very good. Now let's see the program. You can see that Windows, Word, PowerPoint and Excel are pre-installed on this device, and also OneNote. Now let's see the other applications. You can see the Candy Crush, Soda Saga. I think that is okay. I think I had login with my Outlook account. You can see that I had login this unit with my Outlook account. That's why you can see that the Windows Store apps are installed on this device. Okay, that's mean the free things are messed up with my old Windows account. Okay, you can see that there is nothing new else than the pure Windows experience on this tablet. Okay, and now let's see the C drive, how much I got. You can see that this unit has 58.7 GB of C storage. Out of that, 45.1 GB is available to use. Now I think this is sufficient for this part of the video, which contain the unboxing and quick review of Cube i7 stylus. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, share and subscribe. The subscription link is shown on your screen, and for more videos on upcoming gadgets, technology and many more, keep watching BCD Tech. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.